Hi friends, welcome to Glow's Kindred Kitchen, and I'm Glow. Well, today I decided I'd like to share a tip with you that I have learned about probably about a year ago, maybe a little longer, but I'll tell you it's really helped me. And so I just wanted to share this with you. Do you ever buy lemons and you have them in your refrigerator so long that the skin on them becomes kind of hard and they're just not good? Well, I have. And I use lemons a lot. But when I found this tip, I decided to try it out, and I've been doing it ever since. And here we go. What I do is when I buy lemons, and I try to get organic, but today I did not find organic. So these are nice sized lemons, as you can tell.
They're big ones.
Yeah, they are. I bought 4 of them. But they're so large I'll have to put 2 of them in a quart jar. Usually I can get 3 in a quart jar. But because these are not organic, what I'm doing is I'm washing these in vinegar and water. So I have about a tablespoon of white vinegar in here and some water, and I've let these set here for a bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and go over here to my sink. I'm going to pour that vinegar water out. I'm going to rinse these off good, and they will not take on the taste of that vinegar at all.
That's good.
Yeah. So then what you do is you just bring them over, and I'm going to put them right into the quart jar.
That's a wide mouth jar,
Yes.
isn't it? Yeah.
And you want to use a wide mouth, especially for a large lemon
one.
like that.
Yeah.
I don't think it would even fit in a regular
I don't think so.
size.
Nope.
But then what you do is you just pour water over the top, just like this. Put your lid on. And there you go. These will stay in your refrigerator for a good month and a half. Mine, I usually don't even have in there that long because I use lemons so much. But this was a great tip that I learned. And when I use these lemons, they're really juicy still and flavorful, and it's just a great tip. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this, and if you have, please like and subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Talk to you later. Bye.